morning. It is Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday. And this tour should be pretty short and sweet. There's not a ton to show, not all that much of an update, but there are some exciting things happening. So we're gonna start here on, I never know what to call this, the porch, I guess. It feels really small to call it a porch, but nonetheless, this is our porch. And it is home to our seedlings. So we got all sorts of great things in here. Almost everything has sprouted. So that is looking good. This bed is still empty except for the things that were there, but we have arugula sprouts, and we have chard sprouts, and we have, gotta get close for these, pea sprouts there. So that's exciting. Doesn't look like we have any lettuce sprouts yet, but we do have some bok choy, or pak choy, not pak choy sprouts over here. More peas here. Look at these guys. So exciting. My cucumber plant I thought was not going to produce anymore because I hadn't seen a new little baby in a long time, but surprise. I actually got one yesterday as well that I took in. Okra still going strong, still on watermelon watch. Hopefully soon. And then down here we have bean sprouts. And if you can see them, yeah, little baby kohlrabi sprouts, more bean sprouts over here, and tons of carrots. Oh my goodness. I have never had, can you see this? Like, look at that. I've never had that good of germination with carrots before. So we're definitely gonna have to thin that out because they're way too close together. My goodness. They're everywhere. Plus some weeds because, of course. Oh no, that's not a weed. But yeah, over there we have, words are hard, brain is tired, early morning, rutabagas. Rutabagas over there. Those are just the cosmos that are going crazy. See, this is, let me show you, because I think this looks like what you were unsure of the other day, Rowan. That's what my young cosmos sprouts look like. So maybe they are yours, maybe they are not. But yeah, the squash that I planted over there in the bags has also sprouted. The beans are still doing well, and those other bags are empty still. So that's that. I have seeded a whole bunch of flowers here. It doesn't look like anything has popped up yet, and anytime one of those cosmos goes to seed, I just grab it and throw it over there to add to it. These zinnias are beautiful. A lot of my flowers got a really slow start, and now they are very happy. So I think maybe I didn't get, I don't know if I did something wrong in the beginning, if they didn't get put in early enough, or to kind of get established before the heat hit, or what, but I will take the flowers now regardless. So yeah, that's all I got. We're still harvesting lots of okra. We've got a couple pods drying on the plants, and just waiting around to see what happens with the fall garden, what sprouts, all that. So like I said, not a big update this week, but still exciting nonetheless. I hope you're having a great morning or evening whenever I get this up, and we'll see you next week.